Hey friends! I'm Mary Ellen, and welcome to Life is Messy but I Am Learning as I Grow, where we whip up plant-based meals, dive into fun DIYs, share gardening tips, and go on family adventures, with the occasional cat cameo. If you're into creative chaos and learning as you go, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Today, we're cooking up an easy, budget-friendly, plant-based breakfast, zucchini and mushroom breakfast hash. It's hearty, flavorful, and perfect for starting your day on a delicious note. You'll find the full written recipe down in the video description, and this one's also featured in my cookbook if you want to check that out too. Let's get cooking. Ingredients: 3 to 4 medium potatoes, 1 yellow onion, 1 zucchini, 8 ounces of mushrooms, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast. Preparation: clean and chop your potatoes, squash, onions, and mushrooms. To prevent tears when cutting onions, chill them in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes first. This slows the release of the eye-irritating sulfur compounds. In a large non-stick pan on medium heat, sauté your garlic, onion, and potatoes until the potatoes are soft in the middle and crispy on the outside. Did you know? Mushrooms aren't plants, they're fungi. They don't need sunlight to grow and actually get their nutrients by breaking down organic matter, making them natural recyclers of the forest. Add your squash, mushrooms, and seasonings in. Continue to cook till the vegetables are soft. Why did the mushroom get invited to every breakfast? Because he's such a fun guy to have around. Salt and pepper to taste. Enjoy. And that's our zucchini and mushroom breakfast hash. Simple, satisfying, and full of plant-based goodness. If you want to make it yourself, the full recipe is in the video description, and you'll also find it in my cookbook along with more easy, budget-friendly meals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments if you'll be giving this one a try. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.